how to make YouTube algorithm to push your videos out there for your rightful audience. The number one there, I'm talking about three things. The three things that I'm going to mention. The number one there is creating eye-catching videos, creating interesting videos. When I mean interesting videos, take your pen, take your book, anything that you are using, your writing material, write down the kind of content that you want to do, the kind of video that you want to create at that moment. Write it down. After writing it down, go to the YouTube, or Google. Go to Google. Find out the kind of content they are searching for, the kind of topic they are searching for, and the kind of thumbnail people are using at that moment in your niche. When I mean in your niche, the people that are doing what you are doing, check the kind of thumbnail, the kind of topic that are trending. Just create content around it. After creating your content, the number two there is going to your YouTube studio to put things together. Don't just create your video and upload it. I know a lot of us, they don't have patience. They don't want to give the YouTube algorithm the time to prepare our videos. When YouTube prepare your videos, they know the kind of audience they are pushing your videos to. They know the kind of people that are interested in your videos. When they know all those things, they will push your videos out there for people to watch and gain something from it. If they did not gain anything from your video, there is no way they will come back for more. That is the number two. The number three there is, please don't put your videos on public before you publish it. I have mentioned this in my last video. I want to mention it again. People are still making that mistake of putting your videos in public. You have not uploaded your video yet. You have not given the YouTube time to prepare your video for the rightful audience. You just put it in public and you publicize your video. And along the way, network and those things. Your video will get views. Don't get me wrong, they will get views. But if you put your video unlisted or private, or you can schedule your video for 2 days, for a day, for 3 hours. But when you publicize your video immediately after uploading, after editing, you are not giving YouTube time. You are not making that video to go well. And it might be that your video will go viral immediately. You upload it and you just put it in public. You did not give YouTube Studio the time to confirm the kind of audience that are interested in your video. Please put it on listed or private. Thank you so much. And the bonus there is focus on creating good title. Focus on creating good title for your videos. A lot of people, they have good content, they have good videos, they have valuable videos, but the title is spoiling that video. People imagine you are writing videos about looking for watch hour, and you know on YouTube watch hour is very, very important in the life of YouTubers these days. It's very important. People are searching for how to get watch hours, because without that watch hour, there is no way you monetize your channel. There is no way you monetize your channel unless you want to monetize your channel in short form. Like when you get millions views in short, you can monetize your channel. You understand? That one has limited bonuses. You understand? When you study that aspect. But there is no way you monetize your channel in your long form video without your watch hour. So imagine you creating a video around watch hour content, and you are giving that video the title, I think you can get views when you watch this video. People are not going to click that video because you are not sure of what you are providing to them. You are not sure of what you are doing. You are not sure of the kind of content that you are putting out there for people to see. So when you are creating a title, your title, be specific. If it is only watch hour, that one alone will get you views, will get you attraction. So please be specific in what you are doing. Thank you for watching. My name is Eskachi, Business World. Thank you. I love you guys. Please subscribe and comment, share. I love you. Mwah.